Hello guys, I hope you're well. I know it's been a while since I cooked here. So to start the year, here is a quick and easy recipe on how to prepare cookies using available ingredients. I hope you enjoy. In a bowl, add 2 cups of wheat flour, half a cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then mix them together. You've noticed that we've started by adding the dry ingredients together. Make sure they mix well. Add a quarter cup of margarine or butter in the dry ingredients and mix well using your hand.
Keep following, trust me, the cookies will turn out so well.
While mixing, slowly add a quarter cup of milk until you can kanda well, or wazungu wanaita kneading, until you can knead it well. You can knead your unga well. Yes, keep kneading. Endelea kukanda. Ukande like unafilio unga imekuwa ngumu kiasi. Wale maguji wa chapati, si mnajua venye huwa mnakanda chapati? Ni hivyo tu. It's now your time to shine, Endelea tu kukanda hivyo kiasi until ufeel unga yako imekuwa soft. Like everything imemixika vizuri. Take your rolling stick and start rolling. Wale wa shape, don't worry, tulisema shape tunaachia Vera. Anyway, yeah, keep rolling. Make sure they're not too thick and not thin kama chapati za kibandaski. Yeah, you understand what I mean, You see that thickness? If you can achieve that, the better. Take your baking tray and a piece of tissue, apply margarine on it, then spread it on the baking tray. Also, you can use wheat flour. This is to ensure that your cookies don't get stuck on the tray while you're baking. Using a cup, cut them into round shapes, or if you have a cutter, well and good, and you can cut them into any other different shapes. Rectangle, square, triangle, whatever you like. While doing this, you can preheat your oven at 160 degrees for 30 minutes and let it heat from both sides, top and bottom. If you find this easy to follow, please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also share this video to your friends and your loved ones and let them watch and subscribe to my channel. You can use a toothpick or a fork to achieve the dots, just like I'm doing. After your oven has preheated and you're done preparing your cookies, you can set 160 degrees temperature, heating from both top and bottom for 25 minutes. Then put in your cookies and avoid opening and closing the door every time to check whether your cookies are ready. So just make sure that you've set the time well, 25 minutes, 160 degrees, heating from top and bottom. And tourists, after 25 minutes, my cookies are ready, and that's how they look. They turned out so well, so yummy. I was so proud of myself, and I decided to sing, haha. Haha, I can make a good musician, right? Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've seen how easy and quick it is to make some tasty and yummy cookies. What do you have to say?
I like those cookies. They're really tasty. I love them, and she's the best chef ever.
Haha, you had it. Thanks for watching. Bye.